The race to build humanity's next home in space just got a major boost. Vast has raised $500 million to accelerate development of its Haven space stations, designed to support research, manufacturing, and long-term human presence in low Earth orbit. The funding round was led by Balerion Space Ventures with backing from major global investors including the Qatar Investment Authority, Mitsubishi partner Mitsui, and MUFG. The company is already moving quickly. Vast recently completed the Haven demo mission, successfully testing key technologies that will power Haven 1, which is expected to launch as the world's first commercial space station in 2027. With the International Space Station scheduled to retire around 2030, companies like Vast are racing to build the next generation of orbital infrastructure. If the plan works, the future of space may look less like government projects and more like a growing commercial economy in orbit.